Well, it was in my childhood days.
What? So hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Adriana and I'm going to Cabo. I'm so excited. I'm meeting up with my brother and sister there. I'm gonna go get a COVID test. I think I have to go soon. I really did want to go and get like a little matcha before I go. I don't know if I'll have time. I would rather go. What? We can just go now.
Okay, hi, thanks for waiting. So here's your test kit, and inside is going to be a cotton swab, a simple test tube, and a clear bag.
Okay.
Okay, go over to the next side. Okay, and with the cotton swab, go ahead, break it.
That's okay. Thank you. You too.
That was honestly super weird. I've never done it on myself, and I feel like that really hurt. I'll show you what my suitcase looks like right now. So I packed a couple of things. My passport's in here. I'm gonna pack all my electronic stuff in this as well. And I just got this Glossier beauty bag, and it comes in a dusk bag, which I think is so adorable. But yeah, I'm just bringing like a bunch of fun, colorful stuff, but also basics too. I officially landed and I'm just chilling outside right now, waiting to be picked up, just to be alone. The weather is so nice right now, like I could fall asleep in this weather, honestly. Good morning! What are you wearing, Shinlin?
Just a bunch of kids' clothes.
We have matching bags. This one and that one, which I got from Salvation Army. My hair looks a little fluffy, but it'll go down. We are about to go and get breakfast, but this is the outfit. I have this scarf, which I thrifted. I did have to put like boob tape because it's very see-through. And then I also got these shorts, which are very, very baggy and big. But these I got from Salvation. And then just matched it with this cute little red bag. We got breakfast. So Harry, my brother, is now here, so my sister went to go and pick him up. I just got mosquito bites. But I think we're gonna go downtown, so I'm just gonna do some makeup. This is the cute little Glossier beauty bag. You can like see everything, which I love. So I always know like what I'm grabbing. Keeps me organized, you know?
Drink! Where'd she go?
I don't know.
Let's go outside! Oh, motherfucker!
You're gonna like trying to make conversation with the driver. She's like, oh yeah, like are there any like night markets around? I want to get some gifts for friends. And he's like, oh, you mean like fruits and eggs? And I was like, maybe. So he just pulls off the road. Damn it, I'm trying to got me toys on one leg.
Dude,
There's
a
a mosquito in here.
In the room?
Yeah, look at how big that is.
Dude, let's go to Cabo Wabo.
Oh, dude, Evan's dad is obsessed with Cabo
Is
Wabo.
he?
What's Cabo Wabo?
Sammy Hagar, the guitarist for, what is it?
Led Zeppelin.
Led Zeppelin, like one of those. He like
It's like the most famous bar here.
We are at Cabo Wabo. Cheers!
Fleek me, dude. It's not bad.
Not terrible. I don't like the aftertaste of it.
But it's way smoother than most of the tequila shots I've
They tried to
had.
get us on Don Julio. I was like,
Bro, that's like a fucking $15 shot, man,
what
brother.
they gotta do.
Guys, it's Cabo.
Tortitas are out.
We are.
I'll be close. Oh shit, look, the fucking thing, it like walks. Did you see that?
I saw that. It moves. We're on our way to dinner right now. Whoa, look at my hair. Holy shit. We're on our way to dinner. We're gonna get goodies. I checked for your Christmas
something you like to hear?
Oh, come on, man. What do you want here?
Coffee, romantic, reggaeton.
Let's do a reggaeton.
Enrique Iglesias.
Enrique Iglesias.
Ay, no más.
Everyone, this is so good. Dipping it?
It's okay. It's still really good.
Okay, currently planning the outfit. I might save these pants for like a dinner or something because I feel like they're pretty thick. I look like I'm going somewhere. So I'm gonna do this mesh top and then my jorts.
Coffee?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
I got smoothies too.
Ooh, are we down? There they go. Oh my god. What a choppy ride. What are they doing? Talking shop?
What?
The new Elvis movie.
Check out the vegetables.
Can you get some assortment? Can you show them my stuff? Guys, let's bring these back first. Just got these on the beach.
True. You look like what's that movie that Alicia Vikander played? Like you know that action movie?
I know what you're talking about, but I also don't know what movie it's called.
It's like some kind of like action book.
We'll find it and we'll put it
Like spy action. Carrie's getting some salsa for us. We got some bean soup. Cannot see a single thing. Carrie, what do we have?
Hey guys, so I just sat down and I haven't explained this yet. This is onions pickled in soy sauce. These are spicy charred peppers, so these are serranos and poblanos, I think. Some cucumbers here, some radish, fresh pico, chile de árbol. So this is a spicy salsa. This one I think is a little spicy, and then these are mild. And this is just tomato and garlic and salt, I think.
Yum. You want to try some? A little something? It's cucumber water. It's actually really refreshing. Refreshing. All right. So this is the it's that one right there, the crispy corn tortilla with cheese and carne asada. Good. They're playing beer pong, and of course,
Oh, come on!
I'm the ball girl.
Oh.
What the hell? Do I need We are getting dinner. We're getting some seafood. Super exciting. Harry is in love. We're currently interrogating my brother about his new girlfriend. She won't watch this.
She does know me. I told her. She's like, what are you supposed to do? Like,
What is?
school, she got like a channel.
That's it.
That's it. I don't know anything else.
She's in school and she's got a channel.
What else do you do?
Not like she's in a sorority or like the social media manager or anything. Not like she's a fucking tour guide, like an incredible tour guide at her school, convincing all these kids to come to fucking Chapman University in Orange County. Anything else to add? So this is the special, I guess. Is it like
Some cucumbers, some other stuff in there.
okay?
I didn't get anything with cream cheese in it because I'm not a fucking.
I don't like cream cheese in that.
Use cream cheese sushi. I feel like it's called the Philadelphia roll. I think that's nice. Terrible.
Okay, so code names.
Okay. So, there's
everyone
2 teams, 2 captains for each faction. So let's say Harry's the blue team. His words.
The cards that belong to their team. So if you imagine the cards, penis, eggplant, chair, they're all the way down in a grid. It's like a 7x7 grid or whatever.
It's a misguess. So you'll take turns giving clues, and you can choose like 2 words, you know. Let's say I just want to do penis and eggplant. So I'll just say dick.
Football.
Oh, here, I'll switch to voice call.
Hi, Mama. Guys, this is the circle. Look at this nativity scene. So, dinner was amazing, spectacular. Everything was just so fresh. The fish was so soft. And now we're doing, yeah. Yeah, we got, the rice was really great too, good service too. And now we're just doing our typical 30-minute walk home. So before I change into my PJs, this is one of my favorite dresses of all time. It has little butterflies and ladybugs on it, but I got it from
Depop.
Depop. I don't remember where this is from. If someone knows, please comment below because I forgot. But this, and then obviously my go-to bag. I think someone wants to show his outfit as well. Okay, I actually really like this shirt. Let's show off the texture of it. It's not a terry cloth, but it's like
It's got holes.
like holes. Where's it from?
Depop.
Depop.
It's from Urban Outfitters.
This is from Urban. There we go. Yeah, okay. And the pants?
Boohoo
Nice
man.
little
They're tailored. I got them tailored.
tailored. Oh, because they were too long?
No, they weren't too long. They were too wide.
And then the ring, because I love your ring.
Thanks, man.
Where's it from?
I actually don't know.
Oh my gosh, are we matching? Sorry, I didn't mean to flip you off, but
It's a watch from Target.
where's the chain from? Target?
It's changed from the Gasper.
What's the Gasper?
It's a place they sell jewelry, men's jewelry.
Swag. Oh, and then your shoes, obviously.
Right. Nautica.
Nautica.
TJ Maxx.
But they're from TJ Maxx.
That's it, guys. Thank you.